Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, success always seems just out of reach? It's as if you're constantly striving for something, but the finish line keeps moving further away. This feeling can be incredibly frustrating, but the truth is, there's a tool you already have that can change everything. It doesn't require any special equipment or superhuman strength, just your mind. That tool is visualization. As Buddha wisely said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. This idea has been echoed throughout time by thinkers, leaders, and innovators because it's the foundation of how we shape our lives. Every major accomplishment begins with a thought, a mental picture of what you want to achieve. The good news is that you can train your mind to create these pictures intentionally, and when you do, amazing things start to happen. Visualization is much more than just daydreaming about a better life. It's a mental practice that engages your brain in a way that can physically change your reality. When you consistently visualize a goal, your brain starts to create new neural pathways, connections that guide your thoughts and actions toward that goal. It's like building a mental map that helps you find the shortest route to success. Think about athletes preparing for a big competition. Many of them practice visualization before they even step onto the field. Why? Because when they imagine themselves successfully completing their routines, hitting that home run, or crossing the finish line first, their brains are learning how to achieve that success. Studies have shown that athletes who visualize their performance can see real improvements as their minds and bodies become aligned with the vision of success. It's the same with anything in life. Whether you're striving to improve your health, build financial stability, or find more fulfilling relationships, visualization can act as the catalyst that helps you align your actions with your desires. Imagine for a moment that you're an architect. Before you can build a house, you need a detailed blueprint that shows exactly where everything will go: the walls, the windows, the doors. Visualization is like creating a blueprint for your life. It's about crafting a clear, detailed picture of the future you want, and then using that mental image to guide your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Your brain is wired to work toward what you focus on. If your focus is scattered, your results will be too. But when you concentrate on a specific goal, your brain starts to prioritize information and opportunities related to that goal. It's like setting a GPS in your mind. Once the destination is set, your brain will look for the most efficient route to get you there. For example, if you're working toward improving your finances, you might start visualizing yourself making smart financial decisions, building savings, or investing wisely. As you keep this vision in your mind, your brain begins to filter out distractions and focus on actions that align with your goal. You'll start noticing opportunities that you might have missed before, maybe a new job opening, an investment opportunity, or ways to reduce expenses. Here's the secret ingredient that makes visualization truly powerful: emotion. It's not enough to just see an image in your mind. You need to feel it. Your brain responds to emotions even more powerfully than it does to images. When you add feelings like excitement, joy, and confidence to your visualization, you're sending a stronger message to your brain. This is real, and it's possible for me. Think about how you felt the last time something amazing happened in your life. Maybe it was landing your dream job, moving into a new home, or even just having a great day with friends. That feeling of happiness, pride, and fulfillment was your brain's way of recognizing that you were on the right path. When you visualize with emotion, you're tapping into that same power. You're giving your brain a reason to believe in your vision because it can already feel what it's like to have achieved it. Now that you understand how visualization works, the next step is to make it part of your daily routine. The beauty of visualization is that it doesn't require hours of practice. Just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Here are some simple ways to get started. 1. Start with a clear vision. Pick one area of your life where you want to see change. Whether it's your health, career, finances, or relationships, create a detailed mental picture of what success looks like. For example, if your goal is better health, imagine yourself full of energy, eating nutritious meals, and enjoying physical activities. See the specific details, what you're doing, who you're with, how you feel. 2. Make it a daily habit. Set aside a few minutes each day to focus on your visualization. This could be first thing in the morning, before bed, or during a quiet moment in your day. The key is consistency. The more often you visualize, the stronger the neural pathways in your brain become, and the easier it is to stay focused on your goal. 3. Engage all your senses. Visualization works best when you make it as real as possible. Don't just see the image. Engage all your senses. What does success sound like? What does it feel like, taste like, or smell like? If you're visualizing a promotion at work, imagine the sound of congratulations from your coworkers, the feel of your new office chair, or the taste of a celebratory lunch. The more vivid and sensory-rich your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. 4. Pair visualization with action. Visualization is a powerful tool, but it's only part of the equation. You also need to take action. Think of visualization as your mental preparation and action as the steps you take to make it real. If your goal is financial success, for example, you can visualize abundance, but you also need to set a budget, look for new income opportunities, or start investing. The combination of visualization and action is what creates results. 5. Stay open to opportunities. As you practice visualization, stay open to new opportunities that align with your vision. Sometimes, the path to success may not look exactly like you imagined, but if you stay flexible and trust the process, you'll find that opportunities you hadn't considered can lead you closer to your goal. Let's dive into how visualization can transform different areas of your life. When it comes to your health, imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, strong, and vibrant. See yourself moving through the day with ease, full of vitality. Picture yourself enjoying activities that boost your well-being, like working out or nourishing your body with wholesome food. Now for your career and finances, envision yourself thriving in your ideal job, whether it's landing a promotion, starting a business, or simply finding fulfillment in your work. See yourself confidently navigating your path. Visualize managing your finances with ease, feeling financially secure and free. As for relationships, visualize meaningful and open conversations with the people in your life. Picture yourself surrounded by supportive, loving connections, experiencing the joy and harmony that come from positive interactions. And when it comes to personal growth, imagine yourself reaching your goals, whether it's mastering a new skill, becoming more confident, or achieving a personal milestone. Visualize the pride and satisfaction that come with overcoming challenges and evolving into your best self. Remember, visualization is your mental blueprint, but action is the hammer and nails that bring it to life. Without action, even the clearest vision can remain just a dream. But when you combine visualization with consistent, focused effort, you create a momentum that's hard to stop. As you continue your journey toward success, use visualization as a daily tool to guide your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Stay focused on your goals, take steps toward them every day, and don't be afraid to dream big. Your mind is a powerful force, and when you use it with intention, there's no limit to what you can achieve. If you found this helpful and want to dive deeper into more transformative techniques, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on new content designed to help you unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.